Hello, people! Your work has not completely done yet, even if all fabric upholstery has been cleaned. You still have a responsibility to clean, check, and store equipment and the chemicals. Clearing out all the equipment and chemicals from the area is essential in order to ensure that the area is ready for public again. In this video, you will learn the steps and considerations to clean, check, and store equipment and the chemicals used. This is truly important to provide a decent surrounding for guests, so they can do their activities comfortably. So, what do you need to do in this last step of fabric upholstery cleaning activity? First, ensure that the furniture is clean and dry. Like cleaning leather furniture, you may wish to place a wet furniture sign to attract the attention of customers, or to take the furniture to a different location. Here, you may consider how to use a blow dryer for a quicker drying process. Second, ensure that there is no dirt or dust remaining. The furniture must be checked to make sure that it does not attract any dirt or dust during the drying process. Always do double checks before leaving the area. Third, return all items to their original positions. All cushions, blankets, and other items to be placed on the furniture must be returned, as well as the furniture itself. You have to put back every item to its prior location. Fourth, store all equipment and chemicals. Remove all cleaning equipment and chemicals from the area, and then store them in the storage room. As for chemicals, make sure that they are placed in a location out of reach of children. You also need to ensure that the vacuum cleaner and buckets are clean before storing them for further use. Fifth, clean and dry the work area. Check for any residues or water spills that might be missed out. Then clean them all. Make sure all surfaces are dry and not slippery, so it is safe for pedestrians. That is how you clean, check, and store equipment appropriately after the cleaning process is done. By following these steps, you have applied the correct practices according to the international standard, nurturing you to grow.